Okay, so getting into our correlation, our autocorrelation plot. This is a really valuable plot when you're dealing with time series data. It's a little bit more specialized again for that situation. And really what it's going to allow us to do is if we look at this lag, so saying today is correlated with 1 day in the past, 90%, 2 days in the past, 80%, 3 days in the past, 75%. So this is really looking at how correlated today is with previous days. So it's going to be really valuable in that sense. It lets us get a good understanding of that autocorrelation, that self correlation. Auto plot right here, but automobile plot right here, but really it's self. Auto in another language just can mean self. And here we're going to use in that term. It means correlation with self. And so how correlated is it? And really valuable for time series analysis, stock market predictions. Really interesting to see here after 1,500 days in the past, or was that 5 years into the past, there's really no correlation with itself, then it starts to turn negative correlation. It starts to turn negative. It's very interesting that that movement starts to happen. And so it's really an interesting thing, can be very enlightening how you would want to engineer features in a time series type of prediction data set.